Of Serengeti group, I'm a chairperson of that particular group. We are first year students at Sokoine University of Agriculture, undertaking Bachelor of Science in Applied Agricultural Extension.
Our class exercise of visiting two organizations was conducted on 1st May 2018 and 4th May 2018. That is, we visited Tanzania Tobacco Processing Limited and the Agricultural Seed Agency. TTPL is a private organization and the ASA was government organization. Thanks.
Of organization TTPL, Tanzania Tobacco Processing Company Limited, TTPL is a private company owned by the Universal Leaf Tobacco Company of America, USA. It is headquartered in Morogoro Municipal, 200 kilometers west of Dar es Salaam and 4,400 kilometers east of capital Dodoma, at the convergence of the main road from Arusha, Dodoma, Iringa, and Dar es Salaam.
The Agricultural Seed Agency was established in 1970, where Tanzania doesn't have seed sector. Hence, the subsector was established in the 1970 under the assistance of USAID. This led to the formation of National Seed Company, TANSEED, in 1973. In the same year, the Seed Act number 29 in 1973 was enacted and Tanzania official seed certificate.
I'm here to present the meaning of organization. Organization refers to the organized group of people with a particular purpose as a business government department. Both the company we visited have got organization.
Minister of Agriculture, Permanent Secretary and Chief Executive Officer.
Of Tanzania Tobacco Processing Limited in Tanzania, they have composed of the following structure and organization, starting with the Managing Director, Factory Director, and Human Resource Manager. Thank you.
A work plan is a detailed accounting on how an individual or a group going about accomplishing a specific task and approaching a project. Therefore, in both the companies we visited, that is Tanzania Tobacco Processing Limited and the Agriculture Seed Agency, there were about 3 work plans.
Here to talk a little bit about the Human Resource Management Department. Human Resource Management is just all activities that involved in training, developing, and the compensation of personnel. Human Resource Management of the two organizations, which are Agriculture Seed Agency and Tanzania Tobacco Processing Industry. These two organizations has got this department purposely for conducting industrial activities.
I will focus on staff relation and the workers committee. First, let's see what is staff relation. This is referred to a company effort to manage the relationship between the employers and the employee. And the second, we will see the purpose of workers committee. This is to oversee the compliance, implementation of the compliance programs, policies, and the procedures that are designed to respond to various compliance and regulatory risk facing the company.
Education is the process of providing things like transport, training workers, so as to facilitate the employee to make sure that they accomplish the goals of the company or organizations. So the employers are supposed to facilitate the motivation to their workers so as to accomplish their goals.
I'm going to talk on administrative communication on the companies we visited. By starting by one, the first one of TTPL, Tanzania Tobacco Processing Company Limited. The major communication is powered by Human Resources Department Office, whereby all communication of the workers and employees is done through the Human Resources Officer. And the second company we visited, it was ASA, of which all communication is powered through the Chief Executive Officer.
The issues about financial management. Financial management refers to efficient and effective management of all money resources. The financial management I'm presenting from Tanzania Tobacco Processing Limited, which is under the financial accountant manager, which is ensure and enhance all payment for all workers and casual labor. All budget which has been done for the company and bring to the financial manager in order to enhance and to cover the cost which will be covered for the season, including for
all financial issues and the management at the Agriculture Seed Agency, which is a government organization, is under Chief Executive Officer. But all expenditures and the management of the money depends on the budget approved by the Parliament. There is several auditors to make sure that the money used in right or planned tasks. Thank you.
Tanzania Policies Law and Act. An act is a piece of legislation constructed by a parliament, and once this act is approved by a parliament, becomes a bill, and the Mr. President is assigned it to be an act. So, in countries like Tanzania, there are different acts and laws that govern these organizations and emphasize on law and employment. While policies is a piece of principles which is adopted by an organization.
We dedicate our special thanks to our lecturer, Dr. Rahel Madaha, and the management of both two companies, Agriculture Seed Agency and the Tanzania Tobacco Processing Limited, for their cooperations and hospitality during our task. We are students from Sokoine University of Agriculture, taking our Bachelor of Science in Applied Agriculture Extension, Year 1. You can subscribe to our channel for more video presentation. Thank you for listening.